Welcome back to goldfries. In this video, we'll be looking at the Logitech F310 game controller that retails at about RM100. You can get it for far less, like say RM80, depending on where you shop from. In the US dollar, that should be about 20-25 range. Anyway, this is the controller that I've been using for my Genshin Impact gaming sessions. The Logitech F310 feels just right at home for me as a controller. It reminds me a bit of the DualShock controller on Sony PlayStation. On the Logitech F310, you have the D-pad on the left, the ABXY on the right, 2 analog sticks, and 4 buttons at the front. There's also the X input and direct input switch for whichever works with your system. The X input is the one that worked with me on my system for Genshin Impact. However, you have to choose direct input if you intend to use the optional Logitech software to customize the controller. Alright, that's it for this video. The F310 is not a new controller. However, for whatever it is, it works and it's great. I know the product page did not mention support for Windows 10 and all that. Rest assured, I am gaming on Windows 10. It is plug and play. Suffice to say, great product, go badge from me. That's all for now. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Do remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Bye bye.